Snagless design for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, modems, patch panels and other networking applications. Standard RJ45 connectors and unshielded twisted pair wires. Conductor, CT. 4 twisted pair, 24 AWG, stranded bare copper. Wiring scheme, TSB 568B, AT&T 258A. Snagless design for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, DSL/cable modems and patch panels. For fast Ethernet and Gigabit computer networks that require bandwidth-intensive voice, data, or video distribution applications. Meets all Cat6 TIA/AIA standards, and drastically reduces both impedance and structural return loss, SRL. The molded, snagless boot prevents unwanted cable snags during installation and provides extra strain relief. Snagless design for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, DSL/cable modems, patch panels and other high-performance networking applications. For voice/data/video distribution, this cable will handle bandwidth-intensive applications. Meets all Cat6 TIA/AIA 568B2.1, Draft 9 standards, and drastically reduces both impedance and structural return loss, SRL, when compared to standard 100 MHz wire. Top reviews from the United States. I work in IT, networking for a living. These cables are indeed one of the highest quality cables you can get today. They are very well made out of high-quality materials. They feel thick and heavy. They are what a Cat5 cable should be. I am very happy with the quality.